Find the value of 3y squared minus 2x plus 4z if x is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 4, and z is equal to 2. So dito, kunin lang natin yung equation natin. So ibaba natin yung equation. 3y squared minus 2x plus 4z. So dito, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga given tayo sa bawat variable. So ang gagawin lang natin dyan, isa-substitute natin yung value ng bawat variable. So dito, 3y. So, ang ibig sabihin ng 3y, kapag magkadikit yung variable at saka number, ang ibig sabihin niyan is multiplication. So, 3, tapos ilagay natin yung value ng y. So, yung y natin is negative 4. So, negative 4 square. Tapos, yung negative 2, yung value naman ng x natin is 3. Tapos, plus 4. Tapos, yung value naman ng z is 2. So, sinubstitute lang natin yung value ng bawat variable natin. So, ito na ngayon yung equation natin. So, simplify na lang natin yan. So, dito, unahin natin yung square. So, negative 4 square, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. So, 3 times 16. So, in-square lang natin yung negative 4. Tapos, negative 2 times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. So, negative 6 tapos, positive 4 times 2 is equal to positive 8. So, dito, 3 times 16 is equal to 48 minus 6 plus 8. So, dito, 48 minus 6 is equal to 42 plus 8. So, 42 plus 8 is equal to 50. So, ito na ngayon yung sagot natin.